Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code 0xC0000005N. Once you launch the game is crashed with this particular error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have overclocked your CPU or GPU, make sure you disable the overclocking of both the CPU as well as GPU. Secondly, if you have any third party antivirus, make sure you turn it off or either completely uninstall them. And in Windows security also, open it, choose virus and threat protection, click on the option manage settings, turn off the real time protection temporarily. And thirdly is, if you are using the game through Wi-Fi, turn off the Wi-Fi, and it is better if you have an Ethernet connection, go ahead, connect your Wi-Fi with the Ethernet and then launch the game to fix out the issue of error code 0xC0000005 while playing the Black Ops 6. Now if this simple fixes doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, if you have installed any third party RAM software, make sure you completely uninstall that software. One such software is Park Control. If you have installed it, go ahead and uninstall this software from your system and then relaunch the Black Ops 6 game to fix out the crashing issue. If this also failed, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, head over to this PC. In this left pane, you will find a folder with the name Documents. Click on it, and here you will find a folder with the name Call of Duty. Go ahead, right click and choose option delete. Now if you are using Xbox or Battle.net or Steam, you need to verify the integrity. In Battle.net, click on this gear icon and choose the option scan and repair. If you are using Steam, go to the properties of the game and from the left pane, click on the option installed files and choose the option verify integrity of the game files. And in Xbox game, launch the Xbox, select your game, click on this three dot icon, choose the option manage. Here click on the files option and you will find the option of verify and repair. Depending upon the type of client you have, verify the integrity of game files and relaunch a Black Ops 6 game to fix out the crashing issue with error code 0xC0000005. If this also failed to work out, make sure you have the updated graphic card drivers for your NVIDIA as well as AMD. For NVIDIA, open up your browser and here is the official website. Go ahead and download this automatic driver update by clicking on this link, download now, launch it to install the latest drivers. And for AMD, it is a bit tricky. Open this official website of AMD, here scroll down and under the package content, you will find the download link. You need to download the AFMF2 driver with version 24.7.1. So simply click on this particular link, save it into a desktop or wherever you want, and once downloaded, go ahead and install these drivers into your system. These are drivers that I have already downloaded. Once downloaded, simply launch and install this AFM2 version of drivers, and this will completely fix out the issue of Call of Duty crashing error code 0xC0000005. Now if all these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, the last hope you have is by opening the directory of the game. For Battle.net users, open it, select games, select your Call of Duty, click on this gear icon and choose the option show in Explorer. Open repair folder and you will find a folder with the name MP24. Simply right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, in Battle.net, click on this gear icon and choose the option scan and repair. In case of Xbox, you need to open its directory which is available in this PC, C drive, Xbox game, and here you will find a folder with the name Call of Duty. Open Call of Duty and open retail folder and delete MP24 folder. Same in case of Steam, open the game directory and delete the MP24 folder which is causing this error. Once deleted, make sure to verify the integrity of the game files as I have already told you in the previous step, and then relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 crashing error code 0xC0000005. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.